In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate unlimited AI videos for free. Yes, you heard it right, no limited tokens, no watermark, and absolutely no subscription fees. I'm going to share a method that lets you create high-quality AI videos without running into any usage restrictions. And the best part, you won't need to keep switching emails or hopping from one website to another. Just log in once and you're ready to generate unlimited videos. Surprising, isn't it? This definitely deserves a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my latest videos. And the AI tool I'll show you today creates stunning, professional quality videos. Just make videos and start earning. And one more important thing, at the end of this video, I'll also share a realistic and powerful voiceover tool that you'll absolutely love. So make sure to watch till the end. Now, let's get started. To generate an AI video, the very first thing we need is a script. And for that, we'll take help from ChatGPT. In ChatGPT's search bar, type this prompt. Create a 300-word story on the topic, "A cat helps a rabbit" in English. You can ask for stories in any language you want, like Chinese, French, Italian, whatever suits you. Once you've written your prompt, just press enter, and ChatGPT will generate a story exactly according to your instructions. Now, for the next step, we'll break that story into different scenes to visualize them better. And for each scene, we'll need a separate image. To create these images, we'll use a tool called Meta AI. It's an amazing tool that lets you generate unlimited images for free. But before heading to Meta AI, we'll need prompts for the images. So we'll go back to ChatGPT and say, "I want the entire script's images. Please provide me a prompt for every scene using consistent characters so I can easily generate the images." Then just press enter, and ChatGPT will give you detailed prompts for each scene. This way, you'll have a complete set of images ready for your video. Let's move to the next step in the video. To make sure that my characters stay consistent in every scene, I've already generated the prompts for the images. Now, to create the images, I'll first go to Google and type Meta AI in the search bar. Then, I'll click on the first link and log into the website. Once I'm inside Meta AI, I'll copy the prompt provided by ChatGPT and paste it into the text box on Meta AI. At the beginning of the prompt, I'll write, "Create image of." Then just press enter, and that's it. Meta AI will start generating the image exactly as described. Now I'll repeat the same process for each scene's prompt. And get all my images ready for the video. Let's continue. And here, Meta AI has now generated the images for me. Just look at how beautiful and high quality these images are. Now, you can simply choose the one you like the most. To download it, just click on the arrow icon. And the image will be saved to your device. If you don't like any of the images, no problem, you can easily regenerate them again using the same prompt. Or slightly modify it. It's that simple. Now comes our third step, which is converting images into videos. From the images generated, select the one you like the most. To turn it into a video, you'll see an animate option at the top, click on it. As soon as you click, your image will be converted into a video animation. Now, download the video. Repeat the same process for each image. Convert them to videos and download them, one by one. Now let's move on to step 4, voiceover. I'm going to share a tool that requires no subscription and no tokens, and I know you must be thinking, what tool is this? Tell me in the comments what you think it is. Okay, let me reveal it, it's ChatGPT. Yes, many of you might be surprised, but ChatGPT can help you create voiceovers too. To generate voiceover from ChatGPT, just click on the speaker icon, speaker with 3 sound waves, next to the response. Yes, I know most people don't know this feature even exists, but now you do. So now, you have everything ready for your video. Heavy checkmark images. Heavy checkmark video animation. Heavy checkmark voiceover.
As she hopped along, dark clouds gathered above, and soon, heavy rain began.
Now comes the final step, editing. You might be wondering, but I don't know how to edit. Don't worry, I'll show you the easiest way. First, download an app called CapCut. If you already have it, great. If not, go to the Play Store and download it now. Once it's installed, open CapCut and click on New Project. Select your video clips, add the voiceover, and then apply some effects and transitions. Now your video is ready. Just click Export and your video will be downloaded. Now go ahead and upload it to your YouTube channel and start earning. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end.